Hi, good morning. This is Ashok once again in the Morning Bites on leadership. Today we would continue our discussion on a vision. We spoke about it earlier. My dear friends, whatever you have in your vision, you always realize it. Sometimes you are aware about it, sometimes you are not. Look at some of the people who do extremely well, maybe in Bollywood or maybe in sports. Some people like maybe Sachin Tendulkar or in Bollywood there are superstars like Shah Rukh Khan. In a very young age, they get in touch with their passion and they are holding on to their vision of becoming an actor or becoming a cricketer for a certain period of time, a sufficiently long period of time. And by consistent efforts and by dreaming about the same vision consistently for a certain period of time, they end up realizing it. So, in short, you always realize your vision. For some reason, let's say you are not succeeding, you are failing repeatedly, just check what is that you have in your mind. Do you really want to stick to this, realizing this vision, or you keep shifting from one target to another target, which is the case with most people. They don't stick to the same goals, same vision for a certain period of time, and the result is we don't realize it. Another thing that you have to keep in mind is when you create a vision, when you start living your life from the created vision, you would find hurdles on the way, right? And then you might have to correct it in the midway. The idea is that you hold on to the same vision, same target for a certain long period of time. Then, if you keep taking consistent efforts in present, aligned with that vision, so your goals and actions today should keep aligned with the vision that you have created and keep taking mid-course corrections whenever required. If you learn certain skill, if let's say that's not working, learn another skill or go deeper into that skill. Keep going in the same direction on and on with a complete faith and dedication, and keep taking action for the same vision. You have to end up realizing it. It's not possible that you will not realize it. So, my dear friends, having a vision is very important for leaders. Leaders cannot achieve their goals, their targets, unless they create very strongly with a well articulated, well crafted vision. Then only they would be able to inspire other people. When you communicate to your team, and when the communication is coming from a certain vision, and when your words combine the trust and the action, you become an inspiration for others, right? So that's it in the morning bite session today, and we would come back again tomorrow with a new thought in the same direction of becoming a great leader. Thank you very much.